How to recover deleted chats on Instagram on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I'll show you how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram on iPhone. So if you're talking about recovering a chat that someone has deleted, which means your friend sent you a message and then they simply unsent it, you will not be able to do that on iPhone. On Android, you had this option possible to notification history because your phone was going to keep a track of the notifications and then you would be able to see that message even if the other person unsent it. We cannot do that. However, if you're talking about whether you went ahead and then deleted a chat yourself on Instagram, right? So you went ahead and tapped on the profile and then you simply deleted all of the chats in this case. In that case, you can actually recover them. And in order to do that, first of all, come back and then come to your profile page. So for that case, what you have to do is tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side and then go to the option called Your Activity. Once you go to Your Activity, scroll down and then here you'll find the button that says Download Your Information. So all you have to do is tap on Download Your Information. It will send you a copy of all of your data you've shared on Instagram. So just tap on Request Download. Now this may take a few days to arrive to your Instagram mail. And then once you get the mail, you have to download the data, and most likely, though it may not come within the Instagram app, it will be on some kind of file where you can view all of the chats you've had with someone else. And this is how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.